The story begins by showcasing the ambition and scale of the Roman Empire. It highlights its need for sophisticated infrastructure to manage its vast territories and populations. We are introduced to the key engineering challenges faced by Roman architects and builders. These challenges included providing clean water to densely populated cities. Another challenge was connecting far-flung provinces with efficient transportation networks. They also faced the challenge of constructing durable structures that could withstand the test of time. The narrative emphasizes the innovative spirit of Roman engineers. These engineers adapted and improved upon existing technologies to create groundbreaking solutions. The Roman Empire needed to find ways to grow and maintain its power. To do this, they would need to engineer their way to success. The Romans were not the first to engineer structures, but they were the best. They took what they knew and improved upon it. They were able to build structures that would last for centuries. We see glimpses of early projects, like the Appian Way. The Appian Way was one of the earliest and most important roads in the Roman Empire. It connected Rome with southern Italy and was used for trade and military purposes. The Appian Way demonstrates the initial steps in Rome's engineering prowess. It also set the stage for more complex endeavors. The Appian Way was a marvel of engineering for its time. It was built with multiple layers of stone and concrete. This made it durable and able to withstand heavy traffic. The Romans were masters of concrete, which allowed them to build massive structures. They used concrete to build aqueducts, bridges, and buildings. These structures are still standing today, a testament to the skill of Roman engineers. The Roman Empire was a vast and complex civilization. It needed sophisticated infrastructure to manage its territories and populations. Roman engineers rose to the challenge, creating innovative solutions to complex problems. Their achievements had a lasting impact on the ancient world. Their influence continues to be felt in modern construction practices. The Romans were able to build an empire that lasted for centuries. This was due in large part to their engineering skills. They were able to build roads, aqueducts, and buildings that were essential to their success. The Romans were also able to adapt and improve upon existing technologies. This allowed them to create groundbreaking solutions to complex problems. The Roman engineers were truly masters of their craft. The scale of the Roman Empire demanded new solutions. The population was growing, and the empire was expanding. This meant that the Romans needed to find ways to provide clean water. They also needed to connect far-flung provinces with efficient transportation. Finally, they needed to construct durable structures that could withstand the test of time. The Romans were up to the challenge. They began to build aqueducts to bring water to the cities. They also built roads to connect the provinces. Finally, they built durable structures that would last for centuries. The Roman Empire was a testament to the power of engineering. The Romans were able to build an empire that lasted for centuries. This was due in large part to their engineering skills. They were able to build roads, aqueducts, and buildings that were essential to their success. The Romans were also able to adapt and improve upon existing technologies. This allowed them to create groundbreaking solutions to complex problems. The Roman engineers were truly masters of their craft. Their legacy lives on today in the many structures that they built. These structures are a testament to the skill and ingenuity of Roman engineers. The ambition of Rome was matched only by its engineering. The early projects were just the beginning. More complex endeavors were on the horizon. The foundation had been laid. Rome was ready to build an empire, and engineering would be the key. It was the bedrock of their dominion. Building upon their initial successes, the narrative now focuses on specific engineering marvels. Consider the aqueducts, which revolutionized water management and allowed Rome to flourish. We delve into the construction techniques used to build these impressive structures. The use of arches was paramount, distributing weight evenly and allowing for vast spans. Concrete, a Roman innovation, provided unparalleled durability and strength. And gravity, harnessed with precision, transported water over long distances. Imagine the Aqua Appia, Rome's first aqueduct, snaking its way across the landscape. Built in 312 BC, it was a testament to Roman ingenuity. The Aqua Marcia followed, longer and more sophisticated, bringing water from distant springs. These aqueducts weren't just functional, they were symbols of Roman power and civilization. Water flowed into the city, feeding fountains, bathhouses, and homes. Beyond water, the Roman road system was the empire's circulatory system. It facilitated trade, communication, and military movement throughout the vast territories. The Appian Way, begun in 312 BC, was only the beginning. Roman engineers built over 400,000 kilometers of roads, a network unparalleled in the ancient world. These roads weren't simple dirt tracks. They were carefully engineered pavements. Layers of stone and gravel provided a solid foundation, ensuring durability. Milestones marked the distance, and roadside inns offered rest for travelers. Bridges were essential components of the road system, spanning rivers and ravines. The Romans mastered the art of arch construction, creating bridges that could withstand immense loads. Consider the Pont du Gard in France, an aqueduct and bridge combined. Its towering arches are a testament to Roman engineering prowess. Harbors, too, were vital for trade and naval power. Ostia Antica, the port of Rome, was a bustling center of commerce. Roman engineers built docks, warehouses, and lighthouses to facilitate maritime activity. They used concrete to create breakwaters, protecting harbors from the sea's fury. The construction of these harbors required immense skill and resources. From aqueducts to roads to harbors, Roman engineering transformed the ancient world. Their innovations allowed cities to grow, trade to flourish, and armies to march. The ingenuity and resourcefulness of Roman engineers are evident in every structure. Their legacy continues to influence modern construction practices. The principles of arch construction, concrete technology, and road design are still relevant today. Roman engineering was more than just building. It was about problem solving. They adapted existing technologies and invented new ones to meet the challenges of their time. Their ability to organize, manage, and execute large-scale projects was unparalleled. The Roman Empire's success was due in no small part to its engineering prowess. Their structures stand as a testament to their skill, ingenuity, and ambition. Even in ruins, they inspire awe and wonder. The Colosseum, the Pantheon, the Roman Forum. These are all testaments to Roman engineering. They represent the pinnacle of Roman achievement and continue to captivate us today. The impact of Roman engineering extends far beyond the ancient world. Their innovations laid the foundation for modern infrastructure and construction. We still use concrete, build arches, and design roads based on Roman principles. The legacy of Roman engineers lives on in the buildings and infrastructure around us. Their story is a reminder of the power of human ingenuity and the enduring impact of innovation. From humble beginnings, they built an empire that shaped the course of history, and their engineering marvels continue to inspire us today. Let's not forget the Cloaca Maxima, one of the earliest sewage systems of Rome. It was a marvel of engineering, draining the city and preventing disease. The Romans understood the importance of sanitation and public health. Their attention to detail and commitment to quality are evident in every aspect of their work. The use of volcanic ash in their concrete made it incredibly strong and durable. This allowed them to build structures that could withstand the test of time. Many Roman structures are still standing today, a testament to their engineering skills. The Romans also excelled at hydraulic engineering, managing water resources efficiently. They built dams, reservoirs, and canals to provide water for agriculture and urban centers. The Roman Empire was a vast and complex network of interconnected systems. Engineering was essential to maintaining and expanding this network. The Romans were masters of logistics, transporting materials and manpower across vast distances. Their ability to organize and coordinate large-scale projects was truly remarkable. The Roman army was also a force of engineers, building roads, bridges, and fortifications. They could construct a fortified camp in a matter of hours, demonstrating their engineering prowess. Roman engineers were not just builders, they were innovators and problem solvers. They constantly sought new and better ways to achieve their goals. Their ingenuity and creativity are evident in every aspect of their work. The Roman Empire was a melting pot of ideas and technologies. Roman engineers borrowed and adapted ideas from other cultures, improving upon them. They were not afraid to experiment and take risks. pushing the boundaries of what was possible. Their willingness to learn and adapt allowed them to achieve great things. The legacy of Roman engineering is a testament to the power of human collaboration. Engineers, architects, and laborers worked together to create these amazing structures. Their collective effort and shared vision made the Roman Empire possible. The story of Roman engineering is a story of innovation, ingenuity, and collaboration. It is a story that continues to inspire us today. The Roman legacy reminds us that with hard work and determination, anything is possible. Their engineering marvels stand as a symbol of human achievement. They inspire us to strive for excellence and to push the boundaries of what is possible. The Roman Empire may be gone, but its engineering legacy lives on. Their innovations continue to shape our world today. We owe a great debt to the Roman engineers who built the foundations of our modern world. Their story is a reminder of the enduring power of human ingenuity, and their engineering marvels continue to inspire us today. They truly built an empire that shaped the course of history, and their legacy continues to inspire awe and wonder.